Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Do you want to start a chat with multiple people on ChatGPT? In this video, I will show you how to create a group chat with multiple people to chat with them or to chat with your friends as well. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT app, as you see, and you will click here. In this page, you will find this first page of what can I help with, as you see, or you can go to this tree or to this sign here on above, and then we click on new chat, so it will appear like this. So this is the first window. You will go to this sign of plus here, the sign of a person with a plus. You will click on it, and here you'll find use ChatGPT together. Add people to your chats to plan, share ideas, and get creative. So you will click here on start group chat. You can also here choose a username and photo. So to edit this, first you will click here on this sign of pen, and then here you can change your name. You can add, for example, this name here, and you can also add your username, and here you will click to choose from your gallery photo or picture. Here you can choose any picture you want to add it, and then you click on save profile. When you end with this of editing profile, you click on start group chat, and here, as you see, you will find your personal ChatGPT memory is never used in group chats, and you'll find here customize ChatGPT or invite with link. So you will click here on invite with link, and here in this page you can share this link with your friends on WhatsApp or quick share or on other apps. Also here customize ChatGPT, you can find here get to alert the response by adding details about your group like goals, preferences, or inside jokes. You can find here respond automatically, or you can click here when mentioned, and then we click on save these settings of your group chat. You can click on save. So when you invite this link with your friends or people you want to talk with them, here you can start a chat on this group here, and other people, they will answer you and chatting with you on ChatGPT here as well. So that's it. If this video is enjoyable for you, and if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.